A very warm good morning to one and all present over here class. Welcome to the digital platform of APS. Now this is Pawan Kumar. Today I will discuss some questions related to straight line. So class, in previous lecture I have discussed also some questions related to derivative. So now in today lecture I will discuss questions related to straight line. Now see. Now question is, find the perpendicular distance from the origin. Question is, find the perpendicular distance from the origin on the line joining the points on the line joining the points cos theta sin theta cos theta sin theta, and second point is cos phi sin phi. Cos phi comma sin phi. So this is our question. In this question, we have to find the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line joining these points. So, see, what will be the perpendicular distance? See the solution. Now, first of all, we will understand these questions. In this question, this is given, this is given 2 points, cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. So we have to find the perpendicular distance from the origin to the line joining these points. When you will join these points, you will get a single line, and we have to find the perpendicular distance from origin to this line. So suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis. Now let capital A and capital B be any 2 points represent in Cartesian plane, represent in xy plane, such that A coordinate is cos theta comma sin theta and B coordinate is cos phi comma sin phi. Now suppose there are 2 points, this is 2 points, capital A, this is cos theta comma sin theta, and this is point B. You can suppose this point is B, suppose, and B coordinate is cos phi comma sin phi. Now join this point, you will get single line. Now this is the line, and this is the origin. This is the origin. We have to find the perpendicular distance from the origin to this line. Means suppose this is the length of perpendicular, this is P, and we have to find, suppose this is point P. Now OP length we have to find. OP length we have to find. Now see. Now see. I'm going to erase these steps. Now see, equation of line passing through 2 points, capital A and capital B. What will be the result? Result you will see y minus, suppose this is y1, so y minus sine theta is equal to, this is y1, so this is sine phi minus sine theta whole upon cos phi minus cos theta into x minus cos theta. Now this is the equation and we have to simplify. So y minus sine theta is equal to, you have to apply this formula, sin c minus sin d. So result is 2 times cos of 2 times cos c plus d by 2. It means theta plus phi by 2 into sin theta minus phi by 2 whole upon 2 times cos of theta plus phi by 2 into cos of theta minus phi by 2. This is sine. This is cos c minus cos d, sine formula. So sine theta minus phi by 2. So you can see, this is the formula of phi plus theta and phi minus theta. This is phi minus theta. And here it will be the result, this plus this by 2 means phi plus theta by 2 into this result will be sine. Sine with the negative sign you can take also. So negative sign, sine of phi minus theta by 2. Now this term will cancel. 2 cancel. Result will be cot of. Result will be cot of theta minus phi. Cot of theta plus phi by 2. See. This is minus time cos of with x minus cos theta is also. So see, after cross multiply, what will be the result? Means y minus sin theta into sin of theta plus phi by 2 is equal to minus time cos of theta plus phi by 2 into x minus cos theta. Now you can see. Now see, when you will multiply, you will get the result y minus sin of theta plus phi by 2 into sin phi or into sin theta is equal to minus x cos of theta plus phi by 2 plus cos of theta plus phi by 2 into cos theta. So this result will be y times sin of theta plus y times sin of theta plus phi by 2. Now result will be x time cot of theta plus phi by 2 plus y times sin of theta plus phi by 2 is equal to, this is cos theta, cos of theta plus phi by 2 minus sin theta, sin of theta plus phi by 2. So result will be x time cot of theta plus phi by 2 plus y time sin of theta plus phi by 2 is equal to cos c minus cos d, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. This result is cos of cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, and this result what we can write, you can see this result is positive. So this result will be cos of theta minus theta plus phi by 2, and this expression will be cot of 2 theta minus phi, means theta minus phi by 2, means theta minus phi by 2. Now you can see cos of theta minus phi by 2. So we have to find the distance of this line from a given point, means origin. Now distance of line from origin, that is OP is equal to mod of C, means mod of C means mod of minus cos of theta minus phi by 2 whole upon root over, this result will be cos square theta, means cos square theta plus phi by 2 plus sin square theta plus phi by 2. Now this result we can write cos of theta minus phi by 2. Now this is in mod. Now this is the result, cos of theta minus phi by 2. Now this question is completed. Now you can see now I will come to the next question. The next question is the line which cuts off the intercepts equal intercept from the axis equal intercepts from the axis axis is in plural and passes through the point passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. This is the question. In this question we have to find the equation of line which cuts off equal intercept from the axis and passes through the point 1 comma minus 2. We have to find the line. Now see, the solution the equation of line in intercept form that is x by a plus y by b is equal to 1. Since the line which makes cuts of equal intercept in case of equal intercept A is equal to B. So see, suppose this is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is origin, and this is the line. This is the line. Which cuts x-axis at A and y-axis at B. So in case of equal intercept, we can consider from figure we can write OA is equal to OB is equal to A. So when you will put x upon a plus y upon a is equal to 1, and now you can see x plus y is equal to a. This line is passing through the points 1, 2. This is the equation of line, consider. And now this line is passing through the points 1, 2. The line is passing through the point 1, 2, 1, minus 2. Therefore, this point will satisfy the equation. Now see, this point will satisfy the equation of line. X comma y, that is 1, minus 2. Use in equation 1. Use in equation 1. So result will be 1 plus minus 2 is equal to a. And the result you will get a is equal to minus 1. A is equal to minus 1. So consider equation 3. Equation 2, not 3. So using 2 in 1. Using 2 in 1. What you will get the result? You will see x plus y is equal to minus 1. This implies x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of line. Required equation of line passing through 1, minus 2 with equal intercept on the axis. Now this is the answer. This is the line which cuts off equal intercepts on the axis and the passing through the points (1, minus 2). Now see. Now this question is totally completed. You can see. So there are so many questions related to this topic. You can do yourself. And daily 5 questions practice is must. So I hope everyone We'll do practice daily 5 questions. And figure drawn is compulsory to all. Without figure, question is incomplete, solution is incomplete. So it is the humble request to all, when this question we have to solve this in examination with figure, you have to show the solution. Now this question is completed.